Welcome to myViewBoard. In this video, we'll show you how to customize your myViewBoard settings so your tools, themes, and styles match the way you teach. If you're joining us right after creating your account, great. But if not, let's get you signed in first. Let's get started. Head to myviewboard.com and tap sign in at the top right. Sign in with Google, Microsoft, or your email address. You'll land on your ViewSonic dashboard. Now that you're signed in, click myViewBoard to access your settings and get started. We'll start with your preferences. At the top, you'll see your myViewBoard name, also called your session ID. This is what students will use to join your whiteboarding session. Update it to something easy to remember, like your name or something your students will recognize. Once you are done, scroll down and click Save. A pop-up will appear. Click Save once more to save your changes. Scroll down to the Themes section. Choose between default, light, or dark, whichever suits your teaching style best. You can also switch your theme later. Just open Account and Settings from the main toolbar. Then tap Theme and Layout to make the change. Under General Settings, you can enable a session password, turn on the time and date, enable a Canvas grid, or auto-launch wireless presentation. Just toggle the switches to match your preferences. Again, you can switch these options later directly inside your myViewBoard if needed. Want to stay signed in during breaks? Set your auto sign-out timer here, from 1 hour up to 6 hours or never. In pen settings, here you can set the width and color. For your thin and thick pen tools, choose colors that match your lesson background or accessibility needs. Under font settings, choose your default text size, style, and color. Check bold, italic, or underline if you use them often. This helps keep your board clean and consistent. Once you're done, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the blue Save button. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to save your changes. Click Confirm. Your preferences are now stored across all myViewBoard apps. That's it. Your personalized setup is now ready for every lesson you create in myViewBoard, whether it's pens, themes, or student-friendly fonts. Everything's exactly how you like it every time you sign in. To see your setup in action, watch our video on navigating the whiteboard and exploring your main toolbar.